What's the meaning of complexity? Complexity. Complexity.
Complexity. Complexity. Complexity refers to the state of being composed of interconnected or interdependent parts, often leading to difficulty in understanding or managing the system as a whole. It can arise from diverse sources such as technological systems, societal structures, biological entities, or natural phenomena. Complexity theory helps us understand how these systems behave and evolve over time. Managing complexity requires a holistic approach that considers not only the parts but also the relationships between them. Simplification of such systems is desirable to reduce the burden of complexity, which could lead to unintended consequences and difficulties in decision-making.